Hello traders, this is Jay from daytradingsupport.net. I'm going to do a recap of today's trading on crude oil. Today is March 31st, 2016, and we're trading the May contract for crude oil. And just going to show you here, we had market open sometime uh, right about here. Can't really see the exact time on this chart. Let me take a look here if I can zoom in. So yeah, you can see the momentum or the volume really start to build up right about here. So I really wasn't interested until I started to see volume pick up. So I'd say I really started getting interested right about here. And then we had a movement down. We had about a 50% retracement, depending where you look at it from. Some people measure it from the move, the entire move. I kind of pay attention from where volume started to pick up, so that's just me personal. So we picked up at the 50%. I wanted to get in, but I wanted to make sure this wasn't going to be a fake out bear trap and then fire up to the upside. So I waited for the rejection, wanted to break this possible structured move. And once I broke that, I triggered into my entry. Of course, it came back and tested the moving average, and then it made my way down. And I followed the stop down, took 5 ticks. I'm happy because look what happened after. Momentum moved back to the upside, and then we came up um, on another chart that I have, my anchor chart. We had um, something that caught my attention, and it kind of gave me an idea that we were probably going to be reversing momentum. Um, and I thought about that's possible. We had a tremendous down day the day before yesterday, and so this would probably, could possibly just be, the bulls coming out and taking control. So when it came up and tested this area on my anchor chart, came back down. I was looking for the next leg down or a tremendous move down. Well, it didn't happen. Uh, Instead, we rejected off this area right here. And once that happened, I knew as we were starting to move up here, that was I had a order waiting, a buy trigger order waiting way up here out of the air, out of the way, and I simply dropped it down above this previous pivot. So when it came down rejected, came up, I immediately moved that down into that area right above there where I have this yellow line. It triggered me in, and I just rode that momentum right up. Um, it moved pretty fast, and then I just followed my stop. My stop might have been a little too tight, but it didn't matter. I was satisfied. You can see, as the day goes on, um, I kind of looked out of the corner of my eye as I was working on my other things and documenting for the site. It kept moving to the upside, but it doesn't matter because I made 17 ticks for the day. I'm happy. Both trades worked out beautifully, and I followed my plan, and that's what's important. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can go to the daytradingsupport.net, and on there we have our contact phone number and email. So feel free to hop over and ask any questions. Okay, until next time, we'll talk to you soon.